Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Happy English Podcast. I'm Mr. B.
And I'm Anna. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Before we start learning, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, your like makes us happy. Your subscribe makes us extra happy. Okay, Mr. B, are you ready for today's episode?
Oh, yes, very ready. Today we talk about work, daily routines, weekend plans, and funny everyday moments.
Let's start. So, Mr. B, let's talk about work. What is your workday like?
Well, my workday is very exciting. First, I wake up. Then, I cry. Then, I drink coffee. Then, I cry again.
Mr. B, that is not very positive.
Okay. I'm joking. Let me try again. My workday is normal. I prepare lessons, I record videos, I help students.
That sounds better. And what time do you start working?
Usually around 9 a.m. But if I wake up late, maybe 9:30, maybe 10, maybe lunchtime.
Oh no, that is not a routine. That is chaos.
Yes, but fun chaos.
Let's explain some phrases for our learners.
Good idea.
The phrase wake up means your eyes open in the morning.
Yes. And get up means you leave the bed. Sometimes I wake up, but I do not get up. I stay in bed like a potato.
A potato? So you are a sleepy potato?
Yes, sometimes, many times, most days.
Back to the conversation. So what is the first thing you do when you start working?
I make a plan. I write my tasks. Sometimes I feel very professional.
Sometimes. What about other times?
Other times I look at my list and say, nope, not today.
Wow, very honest, Mr. B.
I try my best. How about you, Anna? What is your workday like?
Well, my workday is simple. I wake up early, around 7 a.m. I shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, and then I start working.
Very good. Very healthy. Very not like me.
At work, I check emails, talk to people, make plans, normal things.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do. I like helping people and learning new things.
Wow, so positive. You are like a sunshine human.
Thank you.
Let's teach some useful work phrases.
Good idea.
I start work at, I finish work at, I have a meeting. I send emails. I talk to customers.
Yes. And for students who are beginners, you can say simple sentences like, I work in an office. I work at home. I work with people. I work on a computer.
Very easy. Very simple. Very nice.
Okay, let's talk about daily routines. Mr. B, what is your daily routine from morning to night?
Yes. My daily routine is interesting. Listen carefully.
I'm ready.
I wake up. Second, I check my phone. Third, I regret checking my phone.
Same.
Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make coffee. Coffee is very important. Without coffee, I am not Mr. B. I am Mr.
Oh my goodness.
Narration, like teaching moment. Let's teach some daily routine verbs. Wake up. Get up. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Have lunch. Finish work. Go home. Cook dinner. Watch TV. Go to bed.
Nice and simple. Great for beginners.
Anna's routine. Okay, Anna, your turn. Tell us your daily routine.
Sure. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, and eat breakfast. Then I go to work.
Very good.
At lunchtime, I eat with my coworkers. After work, I go home, cook dinner, relax, and watch a movie or read a book. Then I go to bed around 10 p.m.
Wow, you live like a responsible adult.
I try.
Now, let's talk about funny, everyday moments.
Yes, life is more fun when we laugh.
Let me tell you something funny that happened yesterday.
Ooh, story time.
Okay, yesterday I went to the kitchen to make coffee. I opened a fridge and I saw nothing, no milk. So I closed the fridge. Then I opened it again. Still no milk.
Why did you open it again?
I don't know. I thought maybe the milk magically appears.
Maybe the milk is shy.
Yes, the milk is hiding. Shh, don't look at me. Anna's funny story.
Okay, my turn. Here's something funny. Last week, I was very tired. I wanted to put my phone on the table, but instead, I put it in the fridge.
What?
Yes, I opened the fridge later and saw my phone next to the vegetables.
Did your phone get cold?
Yes, very cold. It needed a jacket.
Phone with jacket. Cute.
Okay, let's talk about weekend plans. What do you usually do on weekends, Mr. B?
On weekends, I love relaxing. I sleep a little longer, I drink coffee slowly, I enjoy breakfast. Then sometimes I go out, sometimes I stay home.
What do you do when you go out?
I meet friends, go shopping, go to a cafe, or sometimes I exercise.
Exercise? Really?
Yes, very little. Like 5 minutes.
Learners can say, on weekends, I relax. I meet friends. I go shopping. I clean my house. I watch movies. I go to the park.
Very good. And you can also say, I stay at home, I sleep late, I cook, I play games.
Anna's weekend plans.
Anna, what about your weekend plans?
This weekend, I want to go to the beach.
Wow, nice.
I want to relax, read a book, and walk near the water.
So peaceful.
Yes, and maybe I will eat ice cream.
Ah, yes. Ice cream makes everything better.
Do you have any funny weekend stories, Mr. B?
Oh, yes. Let me tell you. One weekend, I decided to clean my room. I said, today I will clean everything. I took a broom, I put on music, then I sat on my bed and fell asleep for 2 hours.
Wow, amazing cleaning. Very productive.
Yes, my room stayed dirty, but my nap was perfect.
My funny weekend story is about cooking.
Uh-oh.
I tried to cook pancakes, but I burned the first one, then I burned the second one. The third one looked like a sad black circle.
A black pancake.
Yes, a burn cake.
Did you eat it?
No, my dog looked at it and said, "No, thank you." Let's review some useful phrases.
Good idea.
Work phrases. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I have a meeting. I send emails.
Daily routine phrases. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go home. I go to bed.
Weekend phrases. I relax on weekends. I meet friends. I go shopping. I watch movies. I go to the beach.
Very simple, very natural, very useful.
This was a fun episode, Mr. B.
Yes, we talked about work, daily routines, weekend plans, and funny moments.
And we laughed a lot today.
Because laughing is important for learning.
Yes, when students enjoy, they learn better.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this podcast grow and helps more people learn English.
And if you like funny, simple English, come back next time.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.